Hello guys, Will here. Now, here of an intro of Awre level crossing, or Awre, or whatever you pronounce it, level crossing in Gloucestershire. This crossing's got LED lights. There's a kiosk here. Carillion rail. Or I think it's Awre. Or level crossing DNO supply cubicle. I think it's pronounced Awre, but don't quote me on that though. Anyways, there's this set of lights here. There's the back of the lights there. There's the yodel alarm there. There's the barrier here. Yeah, this crossing's got two barriers. This barrier's got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. So 15 weights. SPX fluid power Romford barriers made in 2004. Or a level crossing ZN barrier. There's the floodlights there. Here you have rubber crossing plant with wooden pallet anti-trespass guide. There's a CCTV camera and the floodlights there. And there's the other set of lights here. Unipower rail sticker. There's the front of the lights here. And on this side, you have the other set of lights here. Red lights drop. Well, hang on a minute. The two red lights are actually bent to the right slightly. The amber light's slightly twisted as well. There's the back of the lights, Unipower rail sticker, and there's the other yodel alarm there. There's the other barrier here with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half, so 15 again. Paint's all gone a bit. It's all coming off like that. SPX fluid power Romford barriers made in 2004. Or level crossing YN barrier. There's a spare barrier there. Or an old one. There's an abandoned signal box. Like Stoke Cannon. Smashed up glass there, all boarded up. You have rubber crossing plant with wooden pallet anti-trespass guide. There's the back of this set of lights here. And there's the front of the lights there. There's the emergency pedestal there and the phone box there. Or a level crossing, or a good reference, SO691072. Right. This level crossing is on the Cardiff Central to Nottingham, Maesteg to Cheltenham Spa, and Cardiff Central to Cheltenham Spa. I got caught in this just then. That way is Cardiff Central and Maesteg. And that way is Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, Gloucester, Cheltenham Spa, Birmingham New Street, Derby and Nottingham.